Do you have a partner that snores like mine, but you've literally tried everything and nothing will work? Like when my husband falls asleep before me, I am doomed. And sometimes he won't even wake up to me shaking him. But I just remembered that we actually got this oral spray from SnoreStop. It's super easy for him to use with all natural ingredients, and it actually does just the trick. Seriously, nothing has worked until now, and this is the most simple product. So if you've been looking for something to help you both rest, you can get 15% off SnoreStop with code SLEEP.